In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of replacing the discontinued 5872 valve with the new and improved 5874 valve on your Haws drinking fountain. The older style 5872 valve has been unavailable for some time, and its valve repair kit will soon be discontinued. The upgraded 5874 replacement valve offers enhanced durability, easier maintenance, and better performance overall. You can quickly identify a 5872 valve by the lack of spanner wrench keyholes on the front of the button, and on the new 5874 valve, you can quickly identify that by the 2 additional holes for the spanner wrench key. Here's what you'll need: a 5874 replacement valve, included spanner wrench, included Loctite 222 MS, channel locks, and optionally, Teflon tape for use on the quick connect fittings. Removing the old 5872 valve. Before beginning, ensure that the water supply is turned fully to the off position, and you bleed any residual pressure by pressing the button before removal. Begin by utilizing the channel locks to disconnect the water line. Remove the valve body assembly from the button assembly. And finally, removing the button assembly from the fountain. Install the new 5874 valve. By positioning the lock nut, fiber, and rubber washers just past midway on the threads. Insert the new valve body into the bracket and then thread the large ring nut onto the valve body, approximately 1 inch onto the valve. Apply 1 dot of the provided Loctite 222 MS to the female button threads and then thread on the push button until the wave washers make slight contact with the stem of the cartridge. Unthread the ring nut forward until it stops flush with the push button. Now push the valve fully inside the bracket and tighten the lock nut. Lastly, utilize the spanner wrench to tighten the push button assembly. Test the installation. Turn the water supply back on and test the fountain to ensure proper operation. Your fountain is now upgraded with the new 5874 valve and is ready to use. For more support or to order parts, visit www.hawsco.com or contact our team at 1-888-640-4297.